At the moment, everywhere you look on social media, in all likelihood, you'll be coming across the names of Telangana Minister Konda Surekha and South actor Samantha Ruth Prabhu and Nag Chaitanya, who were earlier married. But why is the politician's name being linked to film stars? To add to the confusion, why are other big South film personalities like Allu Arjun Jr., NTR, Nagarjuna, Nani, Chiranjeevi slamming Surekha ji? Well, here's where I break down things for you. First, the what. So it all started when Telangana Minister Konda Surekha made some controversial remarks about Nag Chaitanya and Samantha's divorce and drug-related controversies in the Telugu film industry in an interaction with reporters. She said these while she accused BRS President K.T. Ramarao of hosting rave parties for film celebrities.
KTR के वजह से समंता का डाइवोर्स हुए हमारे को मालूम इंटरनल इश्यूज.
She alleged that many female actors in the Telugu film industry cut short their careers because of Rao's involvement and linked him to the divorce of Nag Chaitanya and Samantha Ruth Prabhu.
सब कुछ हीरोइंस का वास्ते ऐसा हुआ. सब कुछ हीरोइंस अब अर्जेंटली मैरिज करके इंडस्ट्री से बाहर चले गए. उसका नाम मैं नहीं ले सकता हूँ क्योंकि समंता का तो ले सकता हूँ. ये जरूर हुआ, उसको भी मालूम, समंता को भी मालूम, वो नाग चैतन्य का फैमिली को भी मालूम, हमारा को भी मालूम.
But she did not just stop at this. Surekha ji went a step ahead and claimed that KTR had asked for sexual favors from the Akinani family before demolishing the family-owned N Convention Center. She alleged that while Sam flatly refused, the Akinani family had sort of nudged her towards saying yes, which in Surekha ji's words ultimately led to Nag and Sam's divorce. Now on to the aftermath. What happened immediately after the politician made the allegations? Actor Nagarjuna, Nag's father, took to X to condemn Konda Surekha's comments. He called the accusations false and asked her to respect people's privacy. Nag Chaitanya, who has mostly always stayed away from commenting on his divorce with Samantha, in a statement on social media, reiterated his father's thoughts and called the act of exploiting the lives of celebrities shameful. Samantha, of course, did not stay quiet either. She criticized Surekha and asked her to be more responsible in a strongly worded post. The best part, however, is how the Telugu film industry came out to support the family and slap Surekha, including big names like Junior NTR, Allu Arjun, Nani, Chiranjeevi, Lakshmi Manchu, actor politician Khushbu Sundar, to name some. That takes care of the aftermath part. Now on to what's the latest update on this controversy. For starters, Konda Surekha has now issued a clarification on her statement. She has now taken back her words and her scathing remarks about the film industry and said, and I quote, "I made an off-the-cuff remark. It was a slip of tongue." However, she refused to take back what she said about Rao. She said he should instead apologize. I will also respond to the defamation notice in a legal way. So hours before this, Rao had sent a legal notice to her asking her to apologize and to take her words back. But this isn't all. More problems awaited the Telangana minister. Well, considering the mammoth allegations she had made, we are not at all surprised. While she did end up retracting her statement, CNN News 18 has learned that the Akinani family is currently in the process of issuing a notice to her. A separate notice we hear will also be issued to Konda Surekha on behalf of Telugu Film Chamber. Nagarjuna had in fact told Times Now that he is most definitely taking legal action. So this is everything that has happened so far in the controversy revolving Telangana Minister Konda Surekha and South stars Nag Chaitanya and Samantha Ruth Prabhu. For more updates on the case, subscribe to Shosha.